Good morning, everybody, and welcome to VLOGnukkah day 7. It is almost done, second to last day, and I have a feeling this is going to be one of the best ones yet. So we're just chilling out this morning. We're rocking some Hanukkah PJs back there and just party prepping. So I wanted to show you guys this little Dreidel Pop making station. So these are the Dreidel Pops. You guys have seen them before. I made them on my channel. So I just laid out all the ingredients, but because I don't want to use melted chocolate with the guests because that would just be impossible, I just got frosting. And then with this frosting, I just put blue food coloring in to make it blue. And it started out as white, and this one's just white. So you can kind of do the same effect that I did in the video of putting melted chocolate over the Dreidel Pop with just icing, which of course is way easier at a party. So yeah, we're just gonna be prepping and playing around here, and then later this morning we have a few errands to run, and we're gonna get some donuts. Max, what are you playing with? Rice. Hanukkah rice? Yeah. It's donut time. Let's go. You want to do?
Eat them all.
You want to eat them all? Max, how's that donut? Good? Oh, it's blue. How's your donut, Dada? Okay, ready? It's the jelly donut experience we've all been waiting for. Okay, I've clearly already taken a bite. Happy Hanukkah, y'all. And while we were here, we just picked up a few for the party. Okay, so it's a bit later on in the afternoon. We've had lunch. Max is down for his nap, and we're pretty much ready to go here. I just got to shower and get ready. I haven't cooked any of the food yet. I mean, we're just ordering pizza, but the other stuff that I got at Trader Joe's the other day. But the house is set and ready to go, so I want to give you guys a quick tour in case I don't get time to later. So on the dining room table, I have the dreidel making station with the little example one over there, so people can just do that if they want to. These were the M&Ms, if anyone remembers, I bought at Target. They're like hot cocoa flavored M&Ms. They are very good. Then I've got this dreidel playing station, the flowers, and then this is where everyone's gonna put their Hanukkahs when they bring them. So just have ours and then some extra candles over here. Then over here I have a little coloring station. I printed out the dreidels, and I think there's also a menorah one in here. Yeah. So I just put those out with some crayons, and the kids can play with that. I'm gonna light all these candles later. And then over here we have a lot of 1-year-olds / under 2-year-old kids coming to the party. So I put out our little people toys, and then this is our box of Magnetiles, which is safe for everyone to play with. And then over here I've got Hanukkah books and our menorah, that's for kids. Got our Hanukkah cushions, some more little people stuff that should be out. And then on the buffet I've got our plates and napkins, a little sign, and then I just put with a little note about what I want to take out of the oven and put on these different platters. So this is where the latkes are gonna go, and this is where the cheese board is gonna be set up. Then we're gonna do Happy Hanukkah. Then we're gonna do drinks over here. And then I got this ginger brew at Trader Joe's. I thought we could do a hottie toddy kind of drink with the bourbon. So we'll see how that works out. And then I just have extra platters because I know people are bringing salad and that kind of thing. And I'm gonna ask everyone who brings dessert to just put it over here. These are the donuts from Krispy Kreme. We have the jelly donuts for VLOGnukkah and blue and white. And that is pretty much it. The house is all ready to go. So now I just have to get ready and yeah, see you guys at the party. Hey guys, so I just had a shower and I was just laughing because I was watching some Vlogmas videos and people are going to like their holiday parties and stuff, and they're all dressed up in like sequins and nice things and fancy dresses, and I was like, oh, what am I gonna wear to this Hanukkah party today? And I was like, of course I'm gonna wear my like ugly sweater Hanukkah stuff because I haven't worn it yet this whole holiday, so it's time. So I just had to show you guys the outfit of the day. So this is the shirt. It says "That's how I roll" with the dreidel. This is the bump in the shirt. It actually just fits. And then I'm going to show you guys, I'm also going to wear my ugly Hanukkah sweater, so I'm going to put that on. So here it is, the ugly Hanukkah sweater. Both of these actually are from Tipsy Elves if anyone is in need of this kind of clothing. But the sweater, oh my goodness, it just barely fit. I mean, I don't even think you could call this fitting per se, but I got it on. So yeah, also I wanted to give you guys a bed update. I know when I made it a few VLOGnukkahs ago, you were probably like, it didn't look so nice, but now it's like fully made. It's got the blanket and the comforter and the pillows. I still want to buy an accent pillow or two. I really want to go pink because we also have this pink blanket. I was thinking of like adding at the bottom of the bed, although we do use it a lot on this couch and Reed likes it. Don't mind her licking herself over there. This is the more behaved dog, right, Rocky? You would never do that on camera. Anyway, so yeah, the bed is not done, but it's in a better state than when you guys saw it, so I just wanted to show you what it looked like. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my Birdie's slippers. They are the most comfortable, nicest things I have ever put on my feet. You guys probably seen them before if you follow me on Instagram, but I love these. And I think they sell them at like Nordstrom's now. Yeah.
Last time I was here, here's another all day.
I mean, like 8 of those things.
Hey guys, so we just tucked Max in and we're about to go to bed ourselves. This is Reedy's side, by the way. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching day 7 of VLOGnukkah, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow for the last day. But don't worry, we have another Hanukkah party to go to, so it's gonna be lots of fun, and we're gonna light all 8 candles on all our menorahs. So it'll be really nice. Alright, see you then. Bye.